Marugame fans, or Marugame Uchiwa, are typically made using only bamboo, washi, string, and rice glue. Some artisans, like Nakada-san, go out to bamboo groves and harvest their own raw materials. The bamboo needs to be a particular size and color in order to be made into fans. Next, the bamboo is cut up into thin pieces and the artisans start shaping them up. What was a relatively shapeless stick turns into what looks like the skeleton of a winged animal. Then, holes are drilled at the base, and using string, the ribs of the fan are given form and stability. And finally, washi, or paper, are selected to suit the design of the fan. Even though the bamboo is the backbone of the fan, the washi is what most people see first and appreciate the most, so it's important to choose wisely. There are a lot of traditional Japanese motifs, like sea creatures and seasonal elements like flowers, but there are also very quirky and modern designs as well. The washi is applied using rice glue, and next is, in my opinion, the most satisfying part of the whole fan making process, the chopping of the edges. This artisan uses a wooden cudgel-like object and a blade to make the perfect crescent shape. And finally, the artisan uses thin washi strips and carefully aligns the edges of the fans. And voila! Now you have yourself an artisanally made Marugame Uchiwa. It may not be battery powered, but to me, these fans have a wonderful charm about them. I love putting them on display. It could be the fact that they're bamboo, and much like wood flooring or furniture, it adds a warm touch to the room. Or maybe because I've seen firsthand what it takes to make these fans, I just really appreciate what gets put into them. Regardless, Marugame Uchiwa remind me that not everything has to be efficient and cutting edge. Sometimes it's okay to admire a piece of art and call it a day. Thanks for watching everyone, and for the long format version, check out the Q2 Japan channel. Peace.